Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look right here. This is something very simple and easy to do, and I will explain it to you step by step in case you want to recreate this. This is obviously not colorful, but you will stand out if you're wearing these eyeshadows. So I hope you like this look. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. And please give me a thumbs up if you like this look. And now let's get started. First, I'm going to grab the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer and the brush from Anastasia. It is number A4 to clean the bottom of my eyebrows. Then I'm going to use the same concealer as a primer for my eyeshadow, so I'm going to apply a little bit more on my eyelids and blend it out with a Real Techniques sponge. And you can also use your finger if you don't have a sponge. The finger blends it out really good too. And you want it to be even all over the eyelid, all the way up to the brow bone, so you want to blend it out in tapping motions. And you have to blend it out really good in order for the eyeshadows to be able to apply and blend out good. It's something very important. Next, I'm going to grab my Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder, and this is also another important step, especially if you're a beginner or if you're going to apply dark eyeshadows. You want to set the concealer before the eyeshadows. That way the eyeshadows blend out a lot easier and faster. You want to do this with a fluffy brush. I'm using the one from Profusion, and I apply it in tapping motions, then take off the excess powder. So if you're a beginner, I highly recommend you do this step. Today I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Artistry Eyeshadow Palette, one of my favorites, affordable palettes. The pigmentation is perfect, and I love all the shades in here. First, I'm going to grab this one right here using this side of the brush, and I'm going to apply this in tapping motions just on the outer corner of my eyelid. And just little by little, I'm going to start making that little dot bigger, and once I go over the crease, which is something I do want to do if I want my eyes to look a little bit bigger, or like the eyelid, I'm gonna start blending it out looking straight forward, because it helps a lot just to make sure that it's gonna be visible when I have my eyes open. And when you're blending eyeshadows out, you don't want to put a lot of pressure. Just do it with a light hand and just keep blending it out until you like how it's looking. And I'm going to apply the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line, and first I start in tapping motions as close to the lash line as I can, and then blend it out a little bit lower. And don't forget to connect it on the outer corner with the eyeshadow on the top. And right here, it's important for you to use a small brush, that way you don't start with applying a lot of product on the lower lash line. Now, using the other side of the brush, I'm going to grab this shimmery eyeshadow, and first I'm going to spray it with my Rimmel Stay Matte setting spray. You don't want to put too much, and you can also use water. It doesn't have to be a setting spray as long as it's a little bit wet. And I'm going to apply this in tapping motions right on my eyelid, and I really love this shade for my skin tone. I mean, it looks good on every skin tone, but I personally really love this shade for my skin tone. I feel like it stands out a lot and it looks really good. So wetting the brush is going to help a lot for the shimmer and the pigmentation of the eyeshadow to stand out a lot more, and it's really going to hold on to the eyelid, so it's a step I highly recommend too. To blend out the edges, I'm going to use the same little brush. Just make sure you don't have a lot of the product on the brush, and then just lightly go over the edges. And I also want this to go over above my crease, so I also like to blend it out as I'm looking straight forward. Now I'm going to grab this eyeshadow with the Real Techniques detailer brush, and I'm going to apply this on the inner corner. Now, if you really want to stand out wherever you're gonna go, this is a part that's important, because this is going to really stand out a lot. The shade is gorgeous and it's very shimmery. And I also wet the brush for this part, and I'm not only going to leave it on the inner corner, I'm going to apply it on the inner part of my lower lash line and blend it out a little bit higher than I normally do for the inner corner highlight. And of course, the eyelashes that I'm going to apply are from my brand EyesomeLux in the style Bella. These are so simple and the band is flexible, so it's really easy to apply. If you want to order these eyelashes, I will put the link to my website in the description box below. Then I'm going to apply this black eyeliner on my waterline. If you don't want your eyes to look small, you want to skip this step, but I like to do it sometimes because it kind of looks a little bit more interesting, like the whole look. I don't know, I just like it. And last but not least, I'm going to apply the mascara from Maybelline Great Lash Mascara on my lower lashes. I want them to stand out, so I'm going to apply a little bit more than usual, but that is the last step to complete this look. I really hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments below what you give it from 1 to 10. Let me know, please, and also tell me what other videos you want me to do, and I will be more than happy to film that for you guys. Thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to give this a little thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family if you like this look. Thank you all so much for your love and your support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!